Yeah, Monday. What's up, everybody? Monday morning. Welcome to today's edition of the Daily Market Commentary. I'm your host, Chuck Fulkerson. Hope everybody had a great weekend and a good week. Last week I was out. Did not have videos up last week. Was feeling a bit under the weather. The voice isn't back to normal, but we are up and ready to roll. If you're new to the channel, do me a favor, click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you get the alerts and the updates as we do them. And if you are a regular viewer, leave me a comment down below. I love the comments. Let me know what you think about today's levels. All right, let's go ahead and get started. S&P. S&P's up about 4 points. And the 4 points that we're up today in the S&P, we were down last night, but we've come back, in a little bit of an overnight rally from about 8 o'clock last night until about now. We've seen price tearing the other direction. So what are we looking at for today? Well, what we looked at last night was the fact that we had a really nice move off this 15-minute level on Friday, and we still think that could be a level that we can see a reversal. But I want to make sure there's no basing in front of that level. Now, from what we saw in the overnights, rallying back up, I do want to take a look at potentially this area right in here, right around the London Open for a 15-minute reversal level as a place to get back into this bigger picture trend. But other than that, I don't see a lot of great entry. There's a lot of good supply areas above us, but I don't want to take supply areas in this kind of a market condition. We're too close to an all-time high, but we are up just a little bit this morning. In the NASDAQ, very similar picture. We had said that if we get basing, you could actually get a little bit of a breakdown from here down to this region. We didn't have a lot of great hourly supply or hourly demand levels in order to get long. Looking at this, I still don't have a lot of great levels to go the other way. I will say this is an excellent supply level. This little, I call it a noisy cricket when it's a wick over wick on a 15-minute zone. This little noisy cricket actually is a really nice level, but just know that if you want to take that, it has to be a confirmation entry as your only way into this because of the fact that we are in a bigger picture upward trend. So, but I like the structure of this level, so I don't want to ignore it because it is a really nice structure. I don't normally show the Russell this morning, but I do want to highlight the Russell today because I think the Russell's actually setting up for our best entry. So keep an eye on a breakout forming in the Russell. I think that's really your best entry for the day, breaking out above a new all-time high with price to continue to run. Looking at crude oil and gold. So crude oil, we did have a really clean level up here of demand. Price hit there in the overnight, and we haven't done anything since we got there, unfortunately. We hit the level and then just stalled. And so from here, I need to remove this zone because now it's really setting up for a potential breakout above that area with enough room to roam based upon a fairly tight basing area in here. So keep an eye on a potential breakout to the upside in crude oil happening early this morning. And then gold. In gold, we really have this one little wick over wick level here, but price didn't come back to there in the overnight. So let's keep that area in mind heading into the rest of the day. But those are my levels for today. I want to make sure that I've left you with just a couple of different things to look at for today. Not a whole lot. Don't force any of these trades. Let the market kind of give us a direction for the week. But our bullish trend is continuing. Let's take a look at that to continue to run higher. If you have any questions, as always, send us an email, support@tradersarmy.com. Till tomorrow, everybody, I'll talk to you soon. See ya.
Hey, thanks for joining us. If you like what we do, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. It's the only way the computers know that you're actually alive and really care. And go to tradersarmy.com today to learn a bit more. And if you want to see some of our other videos, click here in the box.